Hello friends, welcome to my channel Flexible Mathematics. In this video, I will show you how we can make an electromagnet. First of all, for that we will require one solenoid. So what is the meaning of solenoid? So as you can see here, solenoid is a cylindrical coil of wire which will act as a magnet when current will pass through it. This is called a solenoid. So this is actually a model of a solenoid. This is a battery eliminator. It is used to supply desired voltage and current. Here there are two compasses which will detect the magnetic field. As you can see, this red wire, actually this indicates the positive terminal of the battery. It is connected to one end of the solenoid, and this is negative terminal of the battery which is connected to the other end of the solenoid. Now I will turn on this battery eliminator and will pass current through the solenoid, and let's check if any magnetic field is produced or not. So first of all, I am starting the switch. You have to see on the compass. Now I am increasing the voltage. So as you can see, the needle of the compass deflected. Let's increase the voltage. So more deflection. And let's give the maximum voltage, that is 12 volt here. So as you can see, the needles are deflected. As soon as I switch off this battery eliminator, the compass will be at the original position. So from this we can conclude, yes, that by passing the current, magnetism is produced, magnetic field is produced. Now there is another thing in the solenoid. If you pass an soft iron rod from the solenoid, it will increase the magnetic field or magnetic strength at higher levels. But before that, I want to show the magnetic field strength using one magnetometer. So for that I will use my mobile. In that, one application is there by which we can actually measure the magnetic field power of the solenoid. So let's check first of all. Let's reset the battery eliminator. Okay, so as you can see, I have put my mobile on the side of the solenoid, in which you can see the value of magnetic field strength. Now I am starting the battery and increasing voltage gradually. You just observe in the mobile. So as I increase the voltage, you can see that power of magnetic field will be increased and magnetic needles are also deflecting. But as I told you that if I insert a soft iron rod through this solenoid, the magnetic power will be at extreme level. So this is an iron rod that I am passing through this solenoid, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the magnetic power is increased at very drastic level, and if I remove this soft iron rod from the solenoid, it will decrease the magnetic field strength. So from this experiment, you can conclude that if you want to increase the magnetic field strength, either you can increase the current or you can increase the number of turns, but here number of turns are fixed, that we cannot increase or decrease. But if you want to increase the magnetic power at the drastic level, then you can insert a soft iron rod from the solenoid, and surely it will increase the magnetic power at extreme level. So thank you for watching videos. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.